Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erin and today I am unboxing the Wunderkids EZ cover, also known by the company EZ. And today I'm going to show you my thoughts on it and see how it works with my kids and on the mat and how I feel about it. So this mat comes in one size right now and it comes in one color. It's called creams. This is sand, so it's a little bit lighter, which is actually nice, keeping with the neutrals, which is what I really like. And it goes on the deluxe folder, which is what I have right now below me. So let's unbox this. Here it is, the same vegan leather as before. And I got a thank you card from Wunderkids. So nice. So let's get to this. Okay, so this is it here. The color tone is only slightly off. It's really not that much different. Sand to cream is a super nice transition. It's not a completely different color. It's very similar, just a bit lighter. It is the same vegan leather as the deluxe folders and the rest of them. I can already tell it's gonna withstand lots of stains and scratches. My mat I've had with my child for over a year now, and not a single scratch on here. I actually love this mat so much. And the reason I really like this cover is because now when I lay it out flat, when I'm not folding it up and playing with it with my child, I can have it just one sleek, no crevice, nothing to get in between. And if there's a spill, I don't have to like get in the little slots. I can just have it wiped down nice and fresh and straightforward, which is nice. So I'm excited to put this on and see how it goes. So I just put the cover on and it's exactly like the other one. I think it needs to just breathe out a bit with the air that's in it. But other than that, I think it's really great to have. I have had a few spills and changed like my child on here before on the regular mat. And sometimes stuff does get in the crevices or like even dust and dirt and all that. And then you have to like clean it off. But if you just need a regular flat mat, the cover is great to have. It's $149. And I think it's a great addition to having it in your playroom or on the go, or if you're going camping and you just need a flat, comfortable surface for your kids to play on. It's great, and especially because it's easy to wash. You can spill anything on it, and especially with no crevices, easy to wipe up. And I love that these mats, once again, are non-toxic. Your baby can lick it, they can play on it. There's gonna be no problems with your baby having any chemicals from this mat. Very, very safe mat for everyone. And when I tell you, my mom also has this mat, and I have some friends who have this mat, and everyone gets compliments. It's not just myself who has it and I get compliments. I've had so many other people tell me how much they love these mats and how thick they are. And to have a cover to go on top of it to lessen any spills that can get in crevices is also great. And I like that no matter what, you can take it off, have your regular mat, or just have it extremely flat like this for them to play on. So now I'm going to test it, and I'm gonna have my toddler come and play on it, and we're just gonna enjoy some time together on this mat. Here we go. Are we gonna build something? Okay. Yeah. What's that? Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to share more videos with you guys. But for now, that's everything. Do you love the mat?